Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In last video we had made this login screen for our app. In this video we are going to build a sign up screen for our app. So when user click on this sign up button, it should redirect to the sign up layout. Okay, so we will design the sign up layout in this video. So let's start. So go to the Android Studio and here create a new activity, empty activity, and name it sign up activity, and click on finish. Okay, so this is our sign up activity. Go to its layout file, .xml file. Now here we want our sign up design, so we will copy this design from our login screen because it's similar to our its layout should be similar to our login activity. So go to the login activity, go to its layout file. So this is our layout of our login activity. So go to the text tab, copy, control plus A, copy all the text, and control C, copy this, and then go to the sign up activity and here delete this, and control V, paste the text of the login activity. So now we will edit this login activity for our sign up activity. Okay, so here what is this error? Okay, it's delete this and again write this. It's a temporary error. Now login activity, change it to sign up activity. Okay, it's our parent layout. Then we have a layout for this. This should be same, our logo and our logo app name. Then come to the text view. Here we want a text view. We want a text view for a name. So copy this text view, copy, and then paste it here. Okay, it's a constraint layout. So after this, let's create a linear layout. Okay, here create a linear layout, and it's high width match parent, height wrap content, and in this its orientation, let's say vertical, and uh, then it's we need to constrain it. So it's let's say it's top constraint top to the bottom of, we want it to the bottom of this blue layout. So what is the ID of this blue layout? Let's check. So the ID of this blue layout is linear layout. That is our linear layout. So we will write this here, linear layout. So our layout will be at the bottom of this blue layout. Okay, so we have constrained it from top. Now constraint it from left and right also. So constraint left to left of this, constraint to left of parent. Okay, we want its left to align to the parent, and similarly for right. So constraint right to right of this is also with parent. Okay, so we have constraint its left and right to the parent and top to the below of this blue layout. Okay, so now we have this linear layout. In this linear layout we will we want uh, these edit views, edit text. Okay, so this is one edit text, this is two edit text. So we'll cut these edit text from here, and we will shift this edit text in this linear layout. Okay, and now we will give this linear layout id. So let's say its id, let's say uh, mm, edit text, edit views, edit layout. Okay, you can give it any id. We don't use this id, we use this id only in this layout file. Okay, so edit views. Now go to this text view. Here after linear layout, here we change this password to our linear layout. So okay, this is for forget password. We don't need forget password in this, so we will delete this text view. Now we have a button, and button is bottom of forget password, because we don't have a forget password, so we will delete this. And here we write edit layout. Okay, so now our button is below this linear layout. Okay, so now come to this linear layout. Here we need our text, edit text. Okay, so this edit text, come to this, and first we don't need constraints, so delete these constraints. And here we want a width of match parent. Okay, and then height wrap content, it's okay. Margin start, okay, 32, margin and 32. Margin top is also okay. Drawable left, okay, we don't want a drawable also, so delete the drawable. Okay, and here also drawable padding. Then background tint is okay, text color is okay. Then email id, let's name our first text view to uh, full name, that is name of the user. Okay, so full name, that is our hint. And it's okay. Now input type is text, not email address, that is text. Okay, and then we'll change the id, its id also. Say its id is username, not you yes, username. Let's say its id is username. Okay, now delete this text view, the other one, edit text, sorry. And then copy this edit text here, and let's say copy it 2-3 times, 2 3 4. Okay, now we have 4 edit text. Okay, so this is the first edit text, this is for username. Now let's change the second edit text. Here we want this edit text for email id, so let's change its hint email id. Okay, and its top margin is not 64, let's change it to 8, 8 or 16. Let's try with 16. Okay, 16 is okay, fine. So top is 16. Now everything is fine. Change its id to email id. Now come to the next text view, that is our password text view. This is for password, so change its hint to password. Okay, and then it's type to password, text password, because yeah, we want a text password. Now this is, and also change its top margin to 16 dp, and change its id to password. Okay, so this is our third edit text. Now come to the next, that is 430 text. Change its hint to it's for confirm password. We want user to enter password 2 times. Okay, so this is for confirm password, so we'll write confirm password. So this is hint, and change its input type also to password, text password, and its top margin to 16 dp, and its id to confirm password, confirm pass. Okay, so this is the id. Okay, now it seems fine. These are our 4 buttons, four edit text, one for name, email, and 2 for passwords. Okay, and then after this linear layout we have our button. So we'll change the name of the button, change it to sign up. Okay, so and also change its id, button id, change it to sign up button. Okay, then come to the bottom here, below here, we don't need these text views, don't have an account and sign up button, we don't need these. So this is our it seems fine. Now come to this text view, that is edit text view, edit layout, linear layout, that has all the edit views, and set a margin bottom, and set it to 16 dp. Okay, and then come to this sign up button, and here set its top margin to 32. Okay, now it seems fine. So this is the layout for our sign up. Okay, change one thing also, here we want a back button also. Okay, so we want an arrow button, so let's do this also. So go to the first, we need a uh, back arrow icon. So go to the resources, in drawable, here right click on this drawable, click on new image asset, and click on clip art, and here search for back. This is the back arrow. Now click OK. Now change its name to IC back, and click on next and finish. So now we have a back arrow icon. Okay, now go to the design tab, and here change it, here drag an image view, drag it and drop it here, and change its set its source, that is in project IC underscore back, that is our back button. Click on OK. So this is our image view. Change its width to wrap content, and height also wrap content. Then drag this, click on this, select this image view, this is the image view, and then set its margin. Okay, where is the image view? Okay, it's okay, it goes in the uh, linear layout. So we don't want this in the linear layout, so drag it from here to below the constraint layout. So we want this in constraint layout. Okay, now it's in constraint layout. Now select this, and here drag this here, and its left and top margin. Set its left margin to parent and top to the also the parent. Okay, now set its top margin 32, left also 32. Is it okay? Okay, not 32, set these to 16. Okay, and now come to the text tab. Here now come to the image view. So this is our image view. Here we have now set its, so it is not visible, so let's give it an elevation. So elevation 3dp. Okay, now it's visible. Now it is on the top of this blue layout. Okay, and also set its padding 16dp. Okay, and now it seems okay. Okay, now that seems fine. Now set its id, give it an id. Its id name is back button, let's say. Okay, so now this seems okay. This is our sign up layout. Now go to the signup activity.java file, and here access the variables. So create private variables, private edit text. Now we want edit text for one for name and email, one for password, and other for confirm password. Okay, so these are the 4 edit text. Now we also want a button, private button, and button is sign up button. And then also we need the image view, that is back button. Okay, these are the variables that we have in our layout. Now set these variables. So name is equal to find view by id, r.id.username, and email find view by id, r.id.email, email id. Okay, we have set this in our layout. This is the id. Okay, then password is equal to find view by id, r.id.password. Then we have confirm password, find view by id, r.id.confirm password. Then we have a sign up button, find view by id, r.id.sign up button. Then we have back button is equal to find view by id, r.id.back button. Okay, so we have initialized all the variables. Now we want to set click listener to the buttons. Okay, so first is our back button dot set on click listener, new on click listener. So when user click on the back button, so then we should finish our sign up activity. So let's call finish in this, and now it will go to the back to the previous activity. Okay, so this is the back button implementation. Then we want a button for then we want a button for password, not sign up button dot on click listener, new on click listener. Now we want an implementation for this sign up button. So for this we need to connect our app to the Firebase. So let's connect this app to the Firebase in the next video. Okay, now go to the login activity.java file. Here we have a sign up button, that is the sign up button. Okay, we have initialized this button also. Now set on click listener to this button. Okay, so here after this login button we will set on click listener to the sign up button, set on click listener, new on click listener, and from here when user click on this sign up button we will open the sign up activity. So here we will open sign up activity. So intent is equal to new intent, and here login activity dot this context, and then we want to go to the sign up activity. So sign up activity dot class, then intent dot start activity, and here we will pass this intent. Okay, so we'll start the sign up activity and will not close this login activity. So if user want to come back to the login activity, he can do that also. Okay, so let's test this run this app. Okay, so this is our login activity. Now if we click on this sign up button, it should redirect to the sign up activity. So click on this sign up button. So this is our sign up activity. So it is fine, it is working fine. This is our sign up button. These are the text views, edit text, for edit text, and this is for name, this is text, and this is for password. So it's dot dot, and this is also for the password. So this is also dot dot. Okay, now if we click on this back button, we should redirect to the login activity. So click on this and we will come back to the this login activity. Okay, so our sign up activity is working fine. So in the next video we will connect our app to the Firebase backend. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. If you like this video, please press the like button and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.